Lubricants are a big part of John Deere's sustainability program. We can try and minimise the impact of having to change them so often. Plus 50 is tested, and with a John Deere filter, they guarantee it will run and maintain viscosity 500 hours.
Which means less cost for them, less waste, less downtime, having the machines out of action when they're getting serviced.
We try to encourage our customers to communicate with the dealership and mainly let us reclaim the oil. That way we can make sure that it's environmentally disposed of properly. And even if they want to keep the oil themselves, if they capture it safely and minimise the impact to the environment, to have it retrieved by an authorised agent.
As a dealership, all our waste oil comes back here to the branch, and there's another company that comes around and recycles that oil, so none of it's going to waste.
Customers make the investment in John Deere equipment to get a premium quality machine, so why not have a premium quality lubricant to back it, and John Deere do supply it. So the longevity and sustainability of that premium machine, we need to be using the best we can.
I wouldn't use anything other than the John Deere oil in my machine.